Okay, so time is of the essence here. Here's my alginate. I'm going to put one bag in first and mix it in a bit just to get it under the surface, and then I'm going to put the rest of it in and I'm going to whisk it for a full minute. The important thing is not to panic, you've got time. So here we go. First bag in, give it a little whisk, timer over. Bit more. Next bag in, half. And the rest going in now. And we're going to give it a bit more speed. Don't panic. Time is up. Take that out, hands in. Let's move nice and quickly, get that position, and down we go. Right down to the bottom, touch the bottom, back up, and we're going to hold it there.